Hi everybody, welcome to the Science Fair. I am Tracy Wallace, the editor-in-chief over at BigCommerce, and for those of you who do not know, BigCommerce is the #1 e-commerce platform for brands making about 5 million or much more in annual revenue. So that includes the likes of Harvard Business Review and GE and Toyota and Sony and Avery Dennison. There's a whole long list, and there are a few really big reasons why those guys are choosing BigCommerce. #1 on that list is because of SEO. BigCommerce allows you to edit your category pages, your category page URLs in a way that you're not going to be able to do on any other SaaS platform out there. This is incredibly important, especially as you scale and when you have large product catalogs. You really need those category pages to be ranking, mostly because you're spending a lot of money on PPC ads. With BigCommerce, you're going to get to Google's page 1 much faster, so you can reduce that cost and turn that cost into something else. On top of that, we also offer something called customer groups out of the box at no additional cost to all of our customers. Customer groups are really cool, mostly because they allow you to segment and personalize your website for particular customer groups. So for instance, imagine it like if you have a B2C and B2B site, or you sell both B2C and B2B and you want to sell on one individual site to both of those segments. We allow you to do that. So the B2B customers could just log into the site and you can hide categories or content blocks or show specific categories or content blocks to them, as well as their specific prices or discounts. So you can manage wholesale that way as well as individual accounts. We also see a lot of people using it though for VIP customers, so showing them new products before anybody else on the site gets to see them, or for discount customers, showing them specific sales and discounts in order to really rid themselves of inventory to shoppers that care a lot about those types of discounts. How do people on BigCommerce know what their shoppers care about? We have an analytic report on the back end called Insights that breaks your customers down into individual cohorts for you, showing you which customers based on email address spend the most with you, spend the least with you, how often they shop, which products provide the longest customer lifetime value. All of that fun information is really great just to download into CSV, use in those customer groups, but also to find lookalike audiences just across the web, mostly on Facebook, where we see it working incredibly well. But for everyone here who knows eBridge really well, you will also know and understand that really one of the most fundamental aspects to making a large brand's site work really well are really powerful and robust APIs. BigCommerce's APIs function 100 times faster than any of our competitions, and you can make hundreds and hundreds of calls, no throttling and no limits. That essentially translates into is that you can transfer a catalog from your ERP of 25,000 products over to BigCommerce within 60 seconds on any of our competitors' sites. That's going to take you 2 hours or longer. Anyway, hope you have a good time at the fair. I'll see you soon online.